Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a background from a video without using a green screen. So let's get started. Before we start, I want to tell you that make sure to hit the subscribe button, as the majority of my viewers who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel to help me make more videos like this. So first time I'm going to show you the videos I'm going to be using to remove the background. This is the first footage which I'm going to be using to remove the background. This is a footage, this is the first footage, and this is the second footage, which is a footage of a dog or a puppy. Alright. So first I'll show you the first website, and then I'm going to show you the next website. Two methods in which you can remove a background. The first one is called Unscreen, in which you can remove a background for free, but one thing that is the downside of it is that it has a watermark. It has a watermark and it limits video only for 5 seconds. I'm going to show you how it works. So here, first you'll have to go to this site called unscreen.com. The link is in the description. And here you'll have to click on upload clip. And then you'll have to select the footage. You want to remove the background. And then here he'll start uploading. While it's uploading, I'm going to tell you about the next Unscreen Pro version. So if you go back here, this is the Unscreen Pro version, in which you don't get any watermark and you get full HD video recording and also no time limit. But it is a paid version. It's a paid Unscreen Pro website plan, in which you'll have to pay $1.98 per minute, or you can even select pay as you go, in which you'll have to pay $5 for one video. You can select the plan. I'm just going to show you the free version for now. And here, as you can see, it's processing the video. While it's processing, you can even check out all the types of different backgrounds you can put for your video. Now this is the original video, as you can see. This is the transparent one. This is the video option where you can select a video. If I select this one, X animation, as you can see, it has replaced the background with this cool looking X animation. We've also got the city street one, the spiral, and a lot of different other cool videos which you can replace your background with. I'm just going to select for now this one, which is train passing, which according to me it suits the color of the real footage. Now after it's loaded up, you can just click on the download button here, and you can just wait for it to composite. Now here, as you can see, it's downloaded the footage. It has processed the footage and it's exported it. It's exported as a GIF file or a GIF file. And if you wanted to export as an MP4 file, you'll just have to buy the Pro subscription plan. But for now, I'm just going to show you the GIF one. As you can see, it's done a really good job in removing the background. The face looks weird because I had blurred the face, so that's why it looks a bit weird. But if I had not blurred the face, it'll look pretty cool. As you can see, the background and the outline has been removed pretty nicely. And yeah, that's the first website in which you can use to remove a background. Like I said, you can check out the Pro version as well if you want a video without a watermark and a full video download and a full HD resolution video. Now let's have a look at the next website, which is called Kapwing, in which you can also remove a background. But normally Kapwing is an online video editor. As soon as you've gone to their website, you'll end up in this page where it is the home page. On the right side, you'll have to click on sign in and then sign into an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in, not sign up. But if you don't have an account, you can sign in. I'm going to use an account and sign in. As soon as you've signed up, it'll show this page where it says to create a new content. Now here, just have to click on new content and then just wait for it to load up the video editor. Here, click on start with a blank canvas, and then you can set the size of the canvas. I'm going to set it to 16:9. That is full HD resolution. And then you just have to click on add media and then click to upload. Here you'll have to select the footage. This time I'm going to select this video. Click on open and then wait for it to load up that footage. Here, as you can see, it's right now uploading the footage. Just wait for it to completely upload it. As soon as it's uploaded, you just have to drag it and then drop it, or click on the plus sign here. And then here it'll open up your footage right here. Now here all you gotta do is that in the right hand side you'll find this effects tab here. Click on effects and then click on remove background. And just wait for it to process your footage and just have a look at the footage. Now I just want to tell you guys is that this feature or functionality is in beta. That means that it's not a proper feature, so they're just testing out if it works really nice. And then if it is, then they'll make it an official feature onto Kapwing. Now here if I just go through the video, as you can see, now I'm going to select the video. And as you can see, it's right now cropping the video. Now I'm going to click on threshold where you can adjust how well it should crop out the video. As you can see, it's not doing a really good job because it's a beta functionality, so it's not really good in removing the background. But for some footages, it does work perfectly fine. For this one, as you can see, it's only cropped out the head of the puppy and not the whole, puppy. So just have to find a footage that perfectly works fine for Kapwing. Now just to show you guys, I just hunted for another footage that works perfectly fine, and I got this man's footage, as you can see, and it's doing a pretty good job in cropping out this man and just removing the background. As you can see, it's done a pretty cool job, but it's not perfectly good, but it still did a pretty good job. Now if it didn't do perfectly good, you can just adjust the threshold on how much it should crop and how little it should crop. Now if you drag it all the way to the right side, as you can see, it's completely removed the background, but still it has even removed parts of the man. Just try to keep it in the middle somewhere, as long as you get it perfectly fine. And just play around with your video to see how well it did it. You just play it. I'm gonna play it and let's see how well it did remove the background. And then you can just click on export video. And then here you just have to wait for it to export, process your video, and then you can just export it from there and then watch your video. Now here, as you can see, after exporting the video, it's done a pretty good job. Now if you go back to the video, backside of the video, in this video, the video you're watching right now, you can see that in the right side it showed a message that the threshold showing in the preview is not final. It'll just do the background removal will be more accurate as soon as you export it. Now here, as you can see, after I have exported it, it's done a super cool job in removing the background. It's not that obvious. It's just like how Unscreen did it. It's the same way how Unscreen did it. It's done the same thing in Kapwing. And if you play it, as you can see, it's done a super cool job in removing the background. Now from here, you can just download it and then just watch your videos. Now let me just play both the videos I just downloaded. This is the first one from Kapwing, in which I removed the background from Kapwing. Let me play it. This is the Kapwing video where I removed the background. And if I go back and then open up the other one, in which I made in Unscreen, I think that is somewhere right here. Yeah, this is the footage. As you can see, it's also done a pretty good job, but it's not as good as Kapwing, but still both of them are almost the same. And yeah guys, that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. And shout out to Mehdi in Gaming Street for suggesting this video in the SahimTech query and suggestion form. And if you want me to make more videos like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.